Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's topic, reported speech. Welcome to the channel. I'm David Sugarman, and I'm here to help you learn English in a simple, fun, and useful way. And if you're tired of studying and not seeing progress, you're in the right place. I've created easy lessons that take you step by step, starting from the basics and moving up. We'll focus on key areas like grammar and listening, both super important to help you understand and speak English naturally. This video is a part of a series of lessons. So if you've been learning with me or one of my teachers, it is a great way to review what you've already covered in class, whether we're working together one-on-one, in a group, or you're studying with one of my teachers. These presentations help you keep practicing and keep making progress. Think of this video as a tool to review the lesson, a way to go over the material again and make it stick. This way of learning really works. You'll start to understand and speak English with more confidence. So stick with it, keep practicing, and you'll see progress in no time. And if you want even more practice, you can find exercises on my website at davidenglish.info that go perfectly with these lessons to help you learn faster. Let's get started, everybody. Reported speech. Reported speech is used to repeat a sentence that someone said in the past. When converting a sentence to reported speech, the verb must be changed to the past tense. So if we're in the present simple, we're going to go into the past simple. If we're in the past simple, we have to go to the past perfect. If we're in the present perfect, we go back to the past perfect. And on the next slide, you'll see that I'll explain this a little bit more in depth if you would like me to, and then we'll go into the exercises, of course. But here's the example. We have an original sentence. She works hard every day. And the reported speech is, she said she worked hard every day. So what again is reported speech? It's when you're telling me what somebody said, or telling me what somebody told you in general, or what somebody decided to do or thought they wanted to do. And the most important thing is that you must stay in the past. All the time stay in the past when you're in the past. So here we have is a table to represent reported speech. Take a look at it really quickly. How does it work? The purpose is to tell me what somebody said or what somebody told me. Remember, all of this is related to the past. Maybe this happened yesterday, 2 days ago, or even 2 seconds ago. Let's start with a present simple sentence. I am a teacher. What did he tell you? The present simple again is I am a teacher. The reported speech is he told me he was a teacher. So I am a teacher goes to he told me he was a teacher. What is the system here? So we're taking the present simple and moving it back to the past simple when we use reported speech. What is the system for the past simple when we say a past simple sentence? We're going to go from past simple to past perfect. What is the system for present perfect? We're going to go present perfect to past perfect as well. Again, what is the system? The past perfect goes to the past perfect. The past perfect is the dead end in reported speech. You cannot go further back more than the past perfect. What is the system for the present progressive? If we say something in the present progressive, I am doing homework, we're going to go into the past and say past progressive. Present progressive goes to past progressive. And you're going to say, he told me that he was doing homework. What is the system for past progressive? Past progressive goes to past perfect progressive. You're going to say, I was doing homework. What did he tell you? He told me that he had been doing homework. What is the system for past perfect progressive? For example, I had been doing homework. He told me that he had been doing homework. That goes directly into the past perfect progressive. So that's the dead end as well. Past perfect progressive, past perfect progressive to past perfect progressive. What is the system for present perfect progressive? What is the past for present perfect progressive? I have been doing homework for 2 hours. He told me that he had been doing homework for 2 hours. So present perfect progressive goes to past perfect progressive. Again, what is the system for present perfect? What is the past for the present perfect? I have watched this movie many times. He told me that he had watched this movie many times. Going directly into the past perfect again. What is the system? What is the past for past perfect? The past for past perfect is past perfect. Stay in the past, stay in the dead end. I had watched this movie many times before I was drafted to the Army. What did he tell you? He told me that he had watched that movie many times before he had been drafted to the Army. Remember, guys, that for the past simple, the present perfect, and the past perfect, they all go to past perfect in the past for reported speech. Okay, we have finally made it to the activity. So the directions are change the sentence to the reported speech. At this time, you can subscribe, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell, and leave a comment to make this channel grow. And again, if you want to do more exercises, just reach out at davidenglish.info and you can find there more exercises under the pre-intermediate section in the color yellow for reported speech. Get your pens and pencils out, write down your answers, and then you can check as we go on. Number 1, I will call you tomorrow. She said she would call me the next day. She said she would call me the next day. Number 2, we have been waiting for an hour. Right now, remember this tense is the present perfect progressive. We have been waiting for an hour. So I'm going to go into the past perfect progressive. They said they had been waiting for an hour. They said they had been waiting for an hour. Number 3, I don't like spicy food. This one is in the present simple. Present simple goes to past simple. He said he didn't like spicy food. He said he didn't like spicy food. 4, I need to finish this report by 5 p.m. I need is in the present simple, so you're going to have to go to the past simple here. She said she needed to finish this report or that report by 5 p.m. She said she needed to finish. Number 5, they are going to the concert next week. This is in the present progressive. The present progressive needs to go to the past progressive. They said they were going to the concert the following week. They said they were going to the concert the following week. Number 6, again, change the sentence to reported speech. 6, I'm very sorry. I am very sorry. This is in the present simple. The present simple goes to the past simple. He said he was very sorry. He said he was very sorry. Let's go to number 7. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it is in the present simple. The present simple goes to the past simple in reported speech. She said she didn't want to do it. She said she didn't want to do it. Let's go to number 8. We can go now. We can is in the present simple, but we want to say can to the past, which is could. They said they could go then. They said they could go then. Let's go to number 9. I can't find my wallet. Again, we have the word can't. Can't in the past is couldn't. He said he couldn't find his wallet. He said he couldn't find his wallet. Number 10, I want to talk to the CEO. Want is in the present simple. That means we have to go into the past simple for reported speech. She said she wanted to talk to the CEO. She said she wanted to talk to the CEO. We have another 10 exercises. Remember, you can go directly to davidenglish.info and get more exercises like this to practice under reported speech. Directions, change the sentence to reported speech. Here we go. 11, he said, I am going to the store. I am going to the store is present simple. So, well, actually, it's present progressive. Sorry, it's present progressive. And you want to go to the past progressive. He said that he was going to the store. He said he was going to the store. Stay in the past. Number 12. She said, I will finish the project tomorrow. The word will is the future simple. Remember, the past for the future simple is would. She said she would finish the project the next day. She said she would finish the project the next day. Number 13. They said, we have been working here for 5 years. That's in the present perfect progressive. We want to go to the past perfect progressive. They said that they had been working there for 5 years. They said that they had been working there for 5 years. Number 14, John said, I could help you with that. Can goes to could. John said that he could help me with that. John said that he could help me with that. Let's go to number 15. The teacher said you should study harder. Should will stay should in the reported speech. The teacher said that we should study harder. The teacher said that we should study harder. Change the sentence to reported speech. Stay in the past. 16. Emily said, I am not feeling well. I am not feeling well is in the present progressive. We want to go to the past progressive. What do you think? Emily said that she was not feeling well. Emily said that she was not feeling well. Number 17. James said, I have seen that movie before. That's the present perfect. The present perfect goes to the past perfect. What do you think? James said that he had seen that movie before. James said that he had seen that movie before. 18. Sarah said, we are planning a trip to Paris. That's present progressive. Present progressive goes to past progressive. Sarah said that they were planning a trip to Paris. Sarah said that they were planning a trip to Paris. 19. Mr. Thompson said, the meeting starts at 10 a.m. That is present simple. Present simple goes to the past simple. Mr. Thompson said, the meeting started at 10 a.m. The meeting started at 10 a.m. And last but not least, 20, Lisa said, I will call you later. That's the future simple. But remember, again, a reminder that would is the past for will. Lisa said she would call me later. Lisa said she would call me later. Let's try. I'll correct you if you need. You can write down your own examples in the comments and I'll confirm that you got this. Report some things you heard people say throughout the day. Tell me what people said to you, what people told you throughout the day, and let's see if you got the reported speech correct. Answer key. These are the reported speech. You could take a look at it if you want. I'm just going to read through these quickly today because I have to go to the doctors. So here we go. 1, reported. She said she would call me the next day. 2, they said they had been waiting for an hour. 3, he said he didn't like spicy food. 4, she said she needed to finish the report by 5 p.m. 5, they said they were going to the concert the following week. 6, he said he was very sorry. 7, she said she didn't want to do it. 8, they said they could go then. 9, he said he couldn't find his wallet. And 10, she said she wanted to talk to the CEO. And let's go to the answer key for 11 through 20. He said that he was going to the store. 12, she said that she would finish the project the next day. 13, they said that they had been waiting there for 5 years. 14, John said that he could help me with that. 15, the teacher said that we should study harder. 16, Emily said that she was not feeling well. 17, James said that he had seen that movie before. That's the past perfect. 18, Sarah said that they were planning a trip to Paris, past progressive. 19, Mr. Thompson said that the meeting started at 10 a.m., past simple. 20, Lisa said that she would call me later. Again, would is the past for will, guys. For more information, visit and follow my social media accounts, and you can also check me out at davidenglish.info. Again, please subscribe, hit the like, hit the bell, spread the word. This is such an important subject, and I know you're doing great. If you have any questions, I'm always here for you. Have a great day, everybody.
Hi, how are you today? If you would like to elevate your English level where people actually understand you, where you're not making mistakes, where you're not confused, where you have control of your English, then you're in the right place. My name is David Sugarman. I've been teaching business English for over 12 years, and I can really help you. Currently, right now, I'm teaching in big companies like Diplomat Israel, like IKEA, and others. If you would like to hear more information, please reach out to me over here. Bye for now.